The new AVL Simulation Suite 2025 R2 is here. And over the course of the next few minutes, we're going to take a look at some of the highlights that are inside. My name is Stephen Buscher, and together, let's explore what's inside this latest release.
We have improved our frequency solution by introducing a tooth contact analysis directly into the solver. Now, the EXCITE M model prepared for the time solution can be run with the frequency solution without any model modifications. The workflow is demonstrated on an eDrive example. In the solver settings, the user defines that when he runs the frequency solution up to which frequency or order he would like to go. The result evaluation in this example is performed for node number 3 on the eDrive housing. When running the simulation, we just select the frequency solution. Results for each speed and for the case set are selected, meaning that some quantities are evaluated over the speed cases. Results evaluation normally starts at the structural response versus frequency, as shown in this demonstration for the housing node number 3. The velocity levels versus speed and frequency are typically shown in a Campbell plot. Velocity level is represented with colour that makes the dominant orders clearly visible. Order cut plots for the dominant orders are often used to evaluate exact amplitudes of a given order versus speed. The oil supply line capability that connects two slider bearings used to investigate the amount of oil that reaches the bearing of interest is introduced in EXCITE M. The effects of centrifugal force acting on the oil and the flow resistance in the line are considered. The new capability is demonstrated on an inline 4-cylinder engine example in which we set up some oil supply lines. Several predefined line types are available, but the user can also define his specific layout. Line properties and initial conditions are set by the user. The final line shape can be visualized in the focus view. The motion of the system, including the oil supply line, is animated in the kinematic animation. Results for the oil supply line, like oil pressure, can be evaluated in 3D animation. Typical results, like the minimum line pressure, the pressure at a certain line position, or the line oil flow, are evaluated by plotting 2D graphs. When multiple identical lines need to be defined between two slider bearings, we use multiline. This line type is often used for the turbocharger bearings with a floating bushing. Multiline properties and initial conditions are the same for all lines that connect the two bearings. In this example, there are 6 drillings in the floating bushing that are modelled with one multiline. Results are animated for the oil pressure in the line and in the bearings.
If you want to discover more about the AVL Simulation Suite 2025 R2, why not visit our website or follow the link below. Here, you'll find more information about the features and contents inside this release. See you next time.